Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about the most asked question on my channel, which is what pen I am using. So let's get started. But first make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on my future videos. Now, this is the tool that have really stepped up my digital art game. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to create art on their phone or other touchscreen devices. So what makes this stylus special? Well, it's designed to mimic the touch of your finger, but you don't get that precision with your fingers while drawing. And this stylus provides that stability and precision you would get from a traditional pen. Although it doesn't support pressure sensitivity, the trade-off is worth it for the control it offers. Speaking of pressure sensitivity, I have posted a video of some infinite painter tips and tricks in which I showed how you can simulate the pressure sensitivity even with the stylus. So do watch that video after this. One thing that I absolutely love about this stylus is its build quality. It's made up of metal, giving it a premium feel and ensuring durability. If you are like me and appreciate a well-crafted tool, you will definitely enjoy using this stylus. And here is a neat feature. There is an extra tip cleverly hidden inside the back of the pen. This little detail is a lifesaver when you need a quick tip replacement. Speaking of tips, one tip lasts easily for about 6 months with regular use, saving you the hassle of constantly replacing them. Now let's put this stylus to use and see it performs in real time. As you can see, the precision is on point and the stylus glides smoothly across the screen. It's a joy to work with, and I've found that it significantly enhances the overall drawing experience on my phone. After using this stylus for a while, I can confidently say that I am pretty satisfied with it. If you are looking for a reliable and well-built stylus that doesn't break the bank, I highly recommend checking this out. And there you have it. If you want to take your digital art to the next level on your phone, this style is definitely worth considering. And if you are interested in getting one for yourself, I have left an affiliate link in the description below. Click that link to grab your stylus and support the channel at the same time. Your support helps me continue creating content like this. Thanks for joining me today, and you can also support the channel by clicking on the join button. You will get some exclusive perks over there. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more content related to digital art. See you in the next video.